How to zoom image using a magnifying glass effect on Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to zoom into images and add a magnifying glass effect using Canva. This works even if you are using the free version of Canva. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, log in to your Canva account. You can either use the free or premium version. And for this video, I'll be using the pro version, but the process is same for both. Now let's start by opening the project or creating a one. And once you are on the design page, head to the photo section and choose any image you want to use. For this, I'll use a random photo. Now let's pick a ball and simply drag it into the project. Now next, go to the Elements tab and type magnifying glass in the search bar, and you will see a bunch of graphics pop up, and most of them are part of the pro version. But there are some free options too. You can choose whichever you prefer. And for this video, I'll select this one. And now to make the magnifying glass effect work, let's add a circle frame. So to do that, simply go to the elements again and in the search bar type circle frame, and you will see the frame option in the result. Simply select the one and add it to your project. Now once the magnifying glass and the circle frame are on your design, let's move to the next step. That is to duplicate the image you are using by pressing Ctrl+D and drag the duplicate image inside the circle frame. And now you can zoom into any part of the image you want. You can resize the circle frame and zoom in into any section of the image by dragging it around and make it as larger or small as you want. This gives you the perfect magnifying glass effect. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to zoom image and add a magnifying glass effect on Canva. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.